How to scan documents without any scanner app on your Android phone. You don't need to install a third-party scanner because you can use a built-in feature available through Google Drive. To get started, open the Google Drive app on your phone and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Next, tap the plus sign in the bottom right corner and select Scan. If you're using the latest version of Google Drive, you may see a Scan Document option instead. Now, point your camera at the document you want to scan. Make sure it's placed on a flat surface with good lighting. Google Drive will automatically detect the edges and capture the document, or you can tap the shutter button manually. After scanning, you can crop the document, rotate it, apply filters, or scan additional pages if needed. Once you're happy with the result, tap Save or Apply. Enter a file name, choose the folder where you want to save it, and your document will be stored as a PDF in Google Drive, ready to share or download whenever you need it. And that's it. That's how you can scan documents without any scanner app on your Android phone using the built-in Google Drive scanner. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.